I got it. Whoa!
One by one.
Up. Hey, finally Chucky came out. High five! Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another unboxing. So today we got a pinball gumball machine with Eli. Alright, let's go open it up. Grandma, do the honor. Pika. Yeah, say pika. It is. Yeah. Here. Let me open it up for you. Oh, there you go. All right, it's not stuck anymore. Whoa. Mom needs a. There you go. I got it. There you go. Whoa. All right, let's turn it around. Okay, push. I mean pull. I said push. Pull. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
The struggle is real. Hold on. Maybe we need to like put it upside down like this. Like, look, there you go. Let the gravity work for. Oh my goodness. That did not work out well. Alright. Hey, Chucky's about to come out. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Hold on. Oh, look at that. Where's the bubble gum though? Okay, hold on. Let's see. Alright, hold on. A bubble gum. Is it yummy?
She have freedom.
I can ask. Hello? Oh, okay. the fake gum is out. Look at that. Yeah, that is. Yeah, look at that.
Put it.
Now we put it. Actually, hold on. Before you do that, guys, I need to put it in. See this? This thing's not fully in there. Look at that. See? I think we need to like push it down hard, or maybe not. Hold on. I don't want to break it. Oh gosh, that was hard. Maybe it's the other way around.
No, don't break it.
I'm the one that said don't break it, but I'm like, there you go. There's nothing. Like that's a little touch to do the job.
Put it there one by one.
Oh, it fell.
Now put it one by one.
It's okay. He can just put it one by one. Did it fell? Oh, someone.
Okay, put it there.
Yes. Okay, 2184. Okay, will do. Alright. Let me look at it right now. I'm gonna look at it. Okay. This. Alright, let's go. Oh god, bubblegum. Oh, look at that. So how do you make the bubblegum go out? Oh, I think, this is how you do it. Oh, you have to remove the ball. Oh, look at that. Remove ball lock from bottom to start the game. Oh, I see there's a ball lock down here. Oh, it's right here. I got it. I need to take it off so that we can play. There you go. Oh, and then, let's see. Alright. Hold on. So the ball is right over here. And go!
Let's go. Play.
Oh no, you play. Mom is gonna play. See this?
You go hold this one.
No, you're gonna like make it go that way, and then
Alright.
there you go, and then go. No, you gotta do this. Pull this first. All right, go. Wow, the struggle is real. Oh, let's see if you can get a bubble gum. You have to get it. Oh, you got it. There you go.
Whoa.
I don't know how you get a bubble gum though. Maybe you have to get it in here to get a gum.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Eli, you do.
Here.
Do the other one. Yeah.
It's like, go, Ma, pull it, go. Okay, I'll do this side. You do. Oh, don't let it go. Oh no! Why? Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Alright, pull. We just want a bubble gum. We just want a bubble gum. Oh, Mom, let it go. Okay, it's okay. Like that. There you go. Oh, don't let don't let me down. Oh, wow, that was my fault. Sorry. I was like, will we? Oh, actually, there's one that came out. Hold on. I think hold on in here.
No, you're dreaming.
All right, boys and girls, this is actually. I think I need to actually learn this. Okay, so instructions. Oh, okay. So the battery. That's the reason why no bubble gum's coming out. I think I might need to go do this at home because I forgot to put batteries so that I could turn it on and then the bubble gum would pop up. So we can still play it, you know. So if I hit it, then I get a bubble gum. Oh, so if I get a high score, see here. Ooh, nice. But overall, this is I got this for $11. So I think this game is pretty darn cool. It's like I'm a fan of Pinball, and he wants another one. You only want that? Okay, let me get one. One more, okay?
Oh, okay.
This is what we do if we didn't have battery. There you go. Alright, now I need to get this. Hold on. There you go. Alright, let's go. This is the glare is real on this one. Okay. So let's go. Whoa, whoa. Oh no. Whoa. Ah! Teaching my son pinball is not easy. Oh, I'll help you. Go get this side. Eli, look. Press the button on the side. Look. Oh, look at that. Are we ready? No, you hold the right side and I hold this side. This is how I get help. Oh. Oh. Whoa. That was... Okay, hold on. Wait. Oh. That was my fault 2 times in a row now. Hold on. Oh. Mom is having a hard time. It went back in there. Hold on.
Why it went back there?
Well, because we hit it way too hard and it went back in. The struggle is real. Oh, you got that.
You want to try?
Eli, you go. Oh, I was actually teaching him a little bit. Oh.
Okay. Press this.
The only thing he doesn't get yet is the sides. But this is a good pinball. See, that thing is we need batteries and we're gonna play it back at home, but for now we don't have batteries. And Chucky did not come out. Oh, we're waiting another hour. It's okay. Hey, finally Chucky came out. We missed him earlier. Bye bye. Thank you. Alright, let's go follow Chucky. Follow him for fun. Or follow him for free tickets, that's what I mean. Free tickets! Yeah. Eli's still trying to get candy. He's not gonna get any. Or at least, that's what I told my mom. Because what it is he hasn't eaten lunch. So, he can't have candy if he hasn't eaten lunch. And I still gave him 1 bubble gum, just to taste. But he wants every gum. Oh, this spot is pretty good. The lighting is perfect, the angle is perfect. Look at that. I like it. This Chucky is tall, as you can see. Look at that.
That's right, guys. It's just about time for the show. In fact, there's only 10 seconds left. So count down with me. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I was gonna... Never mind. It's for Chuck E. Cheese.
All I have to do is my happy dance and
Everybody now freeze! What? Who?
All right, on the count of three. Chucky's gonna throw out tickets, all right? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. So let's see if Chuck E. Cheese is gonna be able to play this. I'm gonna ask him to play once and then he's down there, he's taking pictures. But we are here waiting for him. We're gonna wait. Yes. Oh, we're almost done. Alright, boys and girls. I'm gonna see if Chucky's willing to play with me. Play. So I'm gonna see. And we got Chuck E. Cheese is all about fun. That's a good. Oh, actually, guys, look. I think I found it out. Look. Look, I think the guy showed it to me, or like somebody. I forgot his name. I'll put in a. Look at this. They teach me this. Look. Whoa. Hey. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. Look, it blinks. Nice. I like it. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jack. Just one. I got it. Whoa, thank you, Jackie. He started the game. All right, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, actually, you know what? Bye, Jackie. He looks sad. About fun. Chuck E. Cheese is all about fun. Chuck E. Cheese is all about fun. Oh, did he not? Alright, I'm gonna try it again, guys. Alright. This round thingy. There's a button. Alright. I think it was Cade Perry. Okay, I remember that. It's Cade. Whoa. Hey. Okay, well, let me try that again. Okay. Whoa. One more time. One last time. Hey guys. guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave that at the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace!